Installation of JP20 desktop pump. Install the bracket on the side of the air pump by inserting the into the groove on the pump body. Take the accompanying extended air tube and connect one end of the tube to the air outlet of pump body, then rotate and tighten it. Rotate and connect the other end of the tube to the quick connector. Take a spray gun with a quick connector male end, such as the JPS036 refill airbrush, and insert it into the connection. Place the S036 airbrush upside down on the bracket. There is a charging on the back of the pump body. Insert round hole charger and connect the plug the power source. The power indicator light on the air pump will turn on that the pump is in working mode. By rotating the adjustment button on the air pump, you can control the on-off switch and adjust the air pressure.